and the first attempt shaped poorly with flour dusted. The second one looks delicious for dinner.
Tie your apron. Let's make something actually good. Chalo, ranna kori. Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, if you turn your nose away when you eat spicy things or your food has a weird texture, then this recipe will be your weeknight best friend. It's soft, it's colorful, it's mid, and I promise even picky eaters turn to take a second bite. So today I'm going to make the kids-friendly vegetable fried rice. Let's get started. So what ingredients do we need for 3 people? Yeah, we're going to make this vegetable fried rice for 3 people. We need 3 cups cold rice, carrots, diced carrots and peas, salt, a bit of salt, half teaspoon, a bit of oil, corn, soya sauce, and egg. And you can add an optional spring onion leaves. Now what materials do we need? We need a spatula, a pan, a stove, measuring cups, and measuring spoons and a fork. Now let's start the process for cooking. Let's break the rice with a fork. It's better to use cooked cold rice. I'm gonna break it grain by grain. It's better to use a fork because it's sharper. Now after breaking the rice, now we also need vegetable. But if you don't, you have to cut the carrots and peas. But since we were lucky, we got a packet of them. Now let's break them. To break them, it will be more easier to cook them. After breaking them, putting them aside, we need also sweet corn. We need half teaspoon of salt. We need a bit of vegetable oil so the egg or anything will not stick to the pan. We need some soya sauce for tasting. Now let's start the cooking process. First, we need to heat the pan from medium overheat. But remember, always have our parents beside you.
I'm here, don't worry, all the time I'm here. But don't worry, I'm here with you.
First, we need to put the oil on the pan, just a little bit. Now we're going to spread the oil over the pan. Just like 1 teaspoon would work. Now the oil has heated with my parents' help. Now I'm going to crack the egg.
Wow!
Now we're also going to scramble the egg with a fork. Remember, this part you have to be very careful. You have to scramble the egg for like 2 minutes. Make sure the egg is scrambled properly.
But this is a personal. Actually, for 3 people, you need at least 2 eggs.
But this is personal. You need at least 2 eggs for 3 people. But we don't have. at home, so we only used 1 egg.
But also this is optional. We don't have to do.
But this is also optional. You don't have to do because this is a veggie fried rice. So now the egg is scrambled and let's put it aside. Let's put it aside in a plate or a bowl. We need to put it aside because the egg will overheat if we keep it in the pan. Now let's place the pan back on the stove. Now we need to place the peas and carrots on the pan. About like 3 cups.
Now we have 3 cups.
For 3 people.
There is a 3 cup of mixed vegetable.
There are 3 cups of mixed vegetable in this bowl. We need 3 cups because this is for 3 people. We're going to cook this for 2 minutes. After cooking this, we will place the sweet corn in the pan. By the way, the sweet corn is optional just to make it more tastier.
Now I'm cooking the veggies because our recipe is vegetable fried rice. Vegetable is a must.
Now I'm cooking the vegetables because we're cooking vegetable fried rice, so vegetables is a must. Now we're going to add the carrots are soft. So the carrots have to be a little soft and the peas, because if we place it too soft, it's going to get all mushy and we don't want the carrots and peas to get mushy. Now the veggies are cooked. Now we're going to place the sweet corn. I'm going to put 1 cup of sweet corn. And by the way, the sweet corn is optional. Now we're going to wait for, now we'll saute it for a bit, for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, we're going to place the cold rice.
It is already showing very colorful.
Oh, this is already looking very colorful. I hope this will be very delicious.
Oh, so let it cook 1 or 2 minutes.
So let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. And now our sweet corn and our veggies are ready. Now we're going to place the day-old rice. By the way, this is 3 cups of rice for 3 people. Now we're going to stir it for 1 to 2 minutes. After stirring it, we're going to place the scrambled eggs we put aside. So now we're gonna cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now our rice is cooked. Now let's break the egg.
ওখান দিয়ে কাটিস না, ওখান দিয়ে কাটিস না। কাটিয়ে দেবে।
তোমাকে ছাড়বো। So now our egg is crushed. Now we will place it in the rice. Now let's stir it for a bit. For 1 minute.
Wow, the smoke is coming over the rice.
Wow, the smoke is coming over the rice.
It looks so beautiful, colorful.
It looks so beautiful and colorful, just like I said from the start. Now we're going to place soy sauce and salt. We're going to put half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to sprinkle it around because one area will just become salty. Keep it around. Now we're going to place 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. We'll sprinkle it around because then one area will just become salty. Now let's stir it. Now have to place, well, since we don't have any spring onion leaves, we're just going to place a bit of coriander leaves. This is not necessary, this is just for flavor. Now let's turn the stove off. Now it's off. Now we could place it in a bowl. Wow, it smells so nice and it's very colorful. Now it's time to eat. See this, friends? Is this colorful? Is it colorful or not? Well, it's very colorful in real life, but in camera, I'm not sure if you can see it. It's very colorful and golden. Try this. And it also smells very good. I'm sure it'll be delicious. Now it's your turn. Try this and take a picture and show it in the comments. See you in the next kitchen lab. Yeah, thank you. So that's exactly how you made today's recipe. Try this in your own kitchen and don't worry if it doesn't look perfect the first time. Mine didn't either. Now it's your turn. Ever tumar pala. Try this and comment how it turned out. See you in the next